See friends, today we are discussing another topic related to class 10 where LCM HCF is there of two numbers A and B. Suppose those numbers are A and B. So we are verifying here also LCM into HCF means the product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of two numbers. So let us discuss this. Suppose I am taking one example. Two numbers are here A is equal to 25 and B is equal to 100. I am finding LCM and HCF by prime factorization method here and HCF also. So LCM we are taking in this manner 25 and 100. So 5, first of all 2, sorry, because here it is 0 on one's place, so it is divisible by 2. So 25 is not divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 0 is as it is. Again 2, it is divisible by 2 because here it is 0 on one's place. So 25 is not divisible by 2, 50 is divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 is remainder, 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10. Now both the digits are having on one's place 5 and the summation is not equal to multiple of 3. So it is divisible only by 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 5s are 25. Now it is 5 1s are 5 and 5 1s are 5. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. That is equal to 5 5s are 25, 2s are 50, 2s are 100. So it is just a simple example I have taken for verification of this formula. Now let us find HCF. It is related to LCM. Now I am finding HCF. So separately let us factorize it. 25 I am factorizing. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Here 100 I am factorizing. So 2 5s are 10, 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10. Again it is 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So 25 we can write 5 into 5 and 100 we can write 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So what is common? Here this 5 is common and this 5 is also common. So we can say that HCF is 5 into 5. That is equal to 25. So LCM of 25 and 100 is 100 and HCF of 25 and 100 is 25. Because 100 is, of course it is divisible by 25 also. So HCF is 25 and LCM is 100. So verification I am doing now. So in verification, let us take LHS first of all. LHS I am taking, that is LCM into HCF. What is LHS? LCM into HCF. That is equal to 100 into 25. That is equal to 2500. And RHS, and now I am taking RHS, that is equal to A into B, where A is equal to 25 and B is equal to 100. So 25 into 100, that is also equal to 2500. So in both the cases we have got 2500 or 2500. So because LHS is equal to RHS, therefore it is verified. over it is. So this is the easiest way to prove that LCM and HCF product is equal to the product of these two numbers. So here only I am concluding my lecture. Do subscribe the channel and enjoy the further knowledge related to 10th class.